I knew what I thought was funny. I knew what I thought I like. I knew what I like to talk about. I knew uh, how to make people laugh, groups of people laugh, and throughout my whole life, even before comedy was an idea. So I was staying true to myself of like, this is my personality. I'm a goofball. You know, I'm not going to try to be this serious. I'm not going to be Bill Hicks. Uh, but even he was silly.
It really sounds like a common theme throughout your career is just staying true to yourself.
Yeah.
Was this something you knew before comedy?
I think it's my main characteristic in the sense of like, you know, uh, it's hard to be 100% truthful to yourself because we don't even see ourselves at 100%. We're still wrong about certain things of ourselves. We don't know completely how we're perceived by people. Um, but the more honest you are with yourself, well, then you're never caught in a questionable moment. You know, it's the sense of like, no, I know I wouldn't do this, or no, I know it's not me. And I think I've always been true in the sense of I knew what I thought was funny. I knew what I thought I like. I knew what I like to talk about. I knew uh, how to make people laugh, groups of people laugh, and throughout my whole life, even before comedy was an idea. So I was staying true to myself of like, this is my personality. I'm a goofball. You know, I'm not going to try to be this serious. I'm not going to be Bill Hicks. Uh, but even he was silly. You know, and so that definitely does help. Like coming in as true as possible, you'll never run into that hurdle of, am I performing as someone I'm not? Or, you know, that hurdle of somebody saying, is that even you? And it's like, yeah, that's me. You always have your opinion ready. And that's the main thing. You hear a lot in comedy, find your voice. You got to find your voice on stage. Have you heard that? That's a very artsy way of saying all you got to do is find your opinion. The minute you know your opinion, your thoughts, and your beliefs on stage, then you are untouchable because you will always have an answer ready, you know, and that's really what's finding your voice. So the way I handle hecklers is I'm not trying to find out what they think is funny. I'm trying to take what they say and put it in reality, put it in my reality. How did I perceive this? And this is my opinion on that, my real opinion. And I know how to make it funny.